Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create professional Facebook app ads for your business. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone. So let's jump into it. First, open the Canva app, then go to the social media tab, and here in the social media tab you will see three different sections: popular, Instagram, and Facebook. Now go to Facebook because we are creating Facebook ads. Then scroll down and you will see the Facebook app ad templates. And when you tap on it, Canva is going to create for you a design file which already has the exact ratio and size and all the details of a Facebook ad. So you won't have to bother with that. And from here you have two different choices. You can either go and upload your details here. You can use photos from the Canva library. You can add your text, styles, or any graphic elements that you would like. Or you can use one of the professional Canva templates, which are created by professional designers, and they have a very high engagement rate. You can just tap on one of these templates to add it to your design, and then you can customize it to the fullest extent. It is very easy to customize. You just tap on it. You can change the text. You can even move around design elements. You can make them bigger, smaller. You can change them. So it's really up to you how you customize it. You can go to the search bar and search for different industries depending on your ads, what you are targeting. As you can see here, you can find anything from furniture to car brands, restaurants, events, even phone applications. And as you can see, they are all very well designed and beautiful. You just have to type in your own details and you are pretty much done. And you have a beautiful ad for your store, which has a calculated very high engagement rate and click-through rate. So yeah, I would recommend using these, because if you designed such ads for yourself, in most of the cases it won't be that engaging and that good as some of these that are created professionally for this reason. Or if you go to the other way around, if you hire a designer to create such ads for you, it would cost like a fortune. So yeah, this is, in my opinion, the best way to get professional ads. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.